Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily, in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon to Mars. My beautiful friends, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is my angel number. That means life is on track. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this beautiful dip we have seen in the past day. And guys, right now is when most people are being extremely fearful of the markets. And this is our time to take advantage of this extreme discount in the markets, all right? Everything is on sale. But what we are focused on is the one, the only Dogelon to Mars, because this has 10x potential, and I will be scaling in, scaling out until I reach a 10x on this coin. Now, I do believe this is going to hit a $10 billion market cap easily within the next 5 or 6 months, all right? HODL to Mars, my friends. Let's get straight into the video. I am going to help all of you guys out with showing you guys what we need to look out for, what we need to be aware of in case this coin wants to drop even lower, what levels we need to watch, and which levels you want to wait for in order to get in on confirmation, my beautiful friends. Let's get straight into the charts. Look at this. All right. We have seen lower highs, all right? We are in a bearish flag at the moment. Now, overall, it is still following the strong uptrend. Hello, my friend. Hello. If you guys don't know, I run 2 other YouTube channels. My friend / filmer just got in the car, but that doesn't matter. We are in an overall uptrend right now, all right? This has retraced to, look at this Fibonacci level. It's so important. So important. 0.618. And we have shown support here. Now, it is extremely, this is a crucial point in this chart, and let me explain exactly why. If we drop below this 0.618, this previous support, that is not that strong. Our next level is going to be down in the 6s to the 8s range. That's what we're going to have to watch out for. Let me draw a quick rectangle so you guys, for all of you that are visual learners, I got your back because I learned the same way. This is our next support range that we need to watch, all right? Now, if it drops down to here, this is what I am going to do. Let me put my seatbelt on so this is not, all right, cool. If it drops down to these 8s to 650s, all right, my friends, this is what we need to do. We need to wait. This is not financial advice, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. If it drops down to here, we need to wait and watch for support, all right? Because if it breaks through these 6s, then we could be heading lower, all right? Which is fine. It is fine. But if you guys are just starting to average in, you want the best price, the best bang for your buck. You want to get the most peaches with that dollar bill. So we got to wait until we see support and then it confirms. And as it confirms, that's when you want to get in. Now, how do you know it confirms, Crypto Billionaire 69? This is how you know. Whenever it comes down, you'll see it touches support level. Let's say it comes down to this 875 level. It's going to hit it, push off with volume, all right? Now, you want to watch because it depends on the previous candlesticks and resistance levels, and that's what I'm here for. If you guys don't know how to identify support resistance levels along with confirmation candles, first of all, you should go check out the Patreon because I post daily on what you guys need to be watching out for if you don't know how to read these charts. If you don't simply want to read these charts but you want to make money in the markets, check out the Patreon. I also have a course that teaches you all of this so you can trade independently if you want to check that out too. I'll leave them both in the description below. So this is what we need to look for. If it breaks this 0.618 Fibonacci level, which is the 10s, if it breaks the 10s level, we are heading down to the 8s, and we need to see strong buying pressure on the 8s in order to confirm this is our next support level. Because at the moment, in the past couple weeks, we are in a downtrend, all right? But if you look at the weekly candles, this is a beautiful time to buy. Guys, we have seen this over and over with Shiba Inu. Just zoom out. Just zoom out, my friends. We're at $1 billion market cap. We're under $1 billion right now. We are at 800 million, I believe. $639 million market cap. If you get in now, once it hits 1.2 billion, which is right around these 34s, you just doubled your money, all right? That's a 2x. If you get in now, the 10x is right around the corner for you once this starts to spike, all right? It's going to be beautiful. Volume is tapering off. We have seen this time and time again. Whenever market sentiment goes back into the greed, that's when it's going to spike, and that's when we're going to start looking for opportunities to scale out of our position to make the most amount of money. And then as it goes back into the extreme fear category, which it is in now, that is when we are going to start averaging back in to make the most amount of money here. That's how we trade. That's how you make the most money. All right, guys. This is the weekly candles. When in doubt, zoom out. Weekly candles. Let's go to the monthly candles. All right. This is bullish. This is bullish. This is bullish. Now, if it drops below these 887 levels on the monthly candle, that will be considered a more bearish signal. All right. If it does not show support at or above these 890 levels on the monthly candles, then we need to watch for a hefty move to the downside, all right? Now, I will keep you guys updated. I don't think this will happen. The only way this will happen is if the market continues to drop. Now, the only reason it dropped today is because Bitmark got hacked. They lost a couple $100 million in crypto because a hacker got in, all right? I think that's overall very good for the markets because it will show the weak points in the blockchain that they can fix in the network, so they can fix it and that won't happen later. If you guys look at any new emerging industry, they always have problems in the beginning, and because we have problems, it's signifying this is the beginning. We are going to Mars, my friends. Hit that subscribe button. Daily in-depth technical analysis. So that's what we need to look out for. For all of you that are waiting to get in, let me draw some levels out to show you exactly the price action and the points you need to be watching in order to average in at the best price and the most safe price. All right, here we need to see a move to the upside, breaking this 1349 level, preferably with volume. It will look like this big red candle, but it will only be a green candle. That's what we want to see, but our first point of resistance is at this 1221 level. We want to see it break above this and close, all right? Our next resistance level is right above this 1342 level. Now, if you were day trading this, which some of you guys are, and if you are, then you should really check out that technical analysis course because day trading is within minutes. And you can make a lot of money doing that, but you got to know what you're doing. If you were day trading this is how to mitigate risk on this trade, and this is in-depth stuff, so hit that like button. Nobody's bringing this type of information for you guys. Once it breaks this 1242 level, you want to average in 50% of your position, all right? As it comes up to here, it will most likely show selling power, all right? As it shows selling power and reaches back to your break-even point, you'll start scaling out of your position to mitigate your risk. Now, if it comes down to your break-even and starts showing support, because that's a 50% retracement, and it breaks through this resistance level, that's when you add your next 50%. So you just got in at a good price, a nice, hefty, safe price at a discount to maximize your returns. That's day trading. We are going for months on end here. Right now we are in accumulation phase. For all of you beautiful people that are watching the YouTube channel, only trade with money you are willing to lose. Because if you do trade with money that you need in real life, you will get way too emotional, pull out for a loss, and watch it go and spike right after you pulled out, and you're going to be hurting yourself mentally, hopefully not physically. Anyways, we need to watch this 10 level. If it breaks down to these 8s, we want to see buying pressure around the 866, 857 level, okay? Anywhere in this area, we want to see buying pressure. Now, if it breaks through that, this is crucial. We need to watch these 643 levels, or else this whole sentiment will change to the downside, all right? Now, this is the third biggest meme coin in the world right now. It is the only meme coin that is listed on crypto.com other than Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, all right? This is beautiful, my friends. This is very beautiful. Guys, let's go. Crypto Billionaire 69. If you like this in-depth technical analysis, hit that subscribe button because I'm hitting you guys with in-depth information priceless information and price action every single day. Crypto billionaire 69.